What's poppin'? We are live. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited for the new office. I'm excited for the new warehouse. I'm excited to get out of my garage. As much as I like trading in the garage, I'm excited for something new, right? 2025, bigger than ever, baby. That's right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me blow up the like buttons. We're doing it. It's the day before Thanksgiving. The day before Thanksgiving. What is going on with this market right now? We had a higher, had a lower high here on the 15-minute chart. Right now. The trend, the overnight high up there, 21,015 area. Pivot point right here, 20,932. If we look at that bigger time frame, I mean, this is just a big old bear flag right now. So, will today be the day that we break out of this channel? Right now, we're kind of like riding the low of this channel when you think like right there. So, we got yesterday's close there up at the 21,000 area, like right around that. And we'll see how this plays out today. That big old bear flag here on the hourly chart has been playing out so far. But what happens next? We'll find out. There will be a trading day tomorrow. I think futures. I didn't look at I don't know. The stock market's not open. I don't know what futures do tomorrow. Let me look. I'll look. La 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 la. La 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 la. All right. Thanksgiving holiday schedule. So on Wednesday, normal. Thursday, $12. It says pre-open at 12. Open at 17. So like 6 p.m. tomorrow. And then Friday, it's closes early at 12. Well, I guess that's CST. Fuck, I don't know. I'm not trading tomorrow either way, so no trades tomorrow. Probably not gonna. I might just not trade Friday either. We'll see. Probably won't trade Friday either. It's the holidays, man. You gotta enjoy life, you know? We gotta enjoy life sometimes. All right, we got that close. The gap fill would put us yesterday's close there at that 20,990 area, 21,000 up there. Right now, we're pulling back to the bottom of this bear flag. Will we have a big red day before Black Friday? Big red day before Black Friday. Hey, stocks are going to be on sale, possibly. Did you put the little man on some snapper yesterday? Yeah, we caught a bunch of yellowtail, mangroves, and stuff. Apex sale, it's 80% off. But just in general, the market's going to be on sale here. Let's take a look here. Let's ask the 8-ball. Will the Nasdaq break to the downside out of this big old bear flag? Let's see. What's it say? It said no. It's in there. You can't. It says no, so all in long, I guess. All in long. Look at this guy, Harry. Just got his first $20,000 Apex. $20,000 Apex payout. Let's fucking go, Harry. Give a round of applause to Harry in the chat. Harry, 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 Harry. Harry, 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 Harry. Hey, $20,000. Ain't nothing wrong with that, my friend. Good work, good work, good work. Love to see it, you know. Hey, the best part about it is we can all make money together, right? We can all make a little bit of money. We can all make a little bit of money, baby. I see a lot of people on Twitter right now very bearish. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. I turned the ads off. There's no ads today on the stream, so we got to get more likes. We got 140 likes. We got to get 500 likes here. Come on, people. Let's go. Come on, people. I help you, help you. Help me, help you. You help me, I help you. We got some news coming out here. We got core PCE numbers. We've got Chicago PMI number 945. We got pending home sales. Holy shit. We got a lot of numbers coming out here at 10 o'clock today. We got oil coming out at 10:30. So literally 9:45 numbers and then 10 o'clock numbers. Lots of volatility. Newbie, I watched Tanya Trades live. Boring as hell. Well, what do you expect? Learning how to make money in the market from a 20-year-old girl who doesn't make money in the market. Do you expect it to be exciting? The simps are real, though. The simps are... The funny part is, she blocked me on Twitter, and all of her simps on Twitter were like, you're so much better than Patrick, Tanya. You're so much better. Why? Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time with Patrick. You're so much better, Tanya. Get the fuck out of here. So much better at what? Getting simps? Yes. Yes, you win. Tanya wins the award for the #1 simps on YouTube. I posted this, well, where'd he go? Somewhere. This is my live account, well, my bank account. As you can see, showing over $95,000 in payouts in my bank account since September. By the way, you can see it's very real. Took it right from my bank account right to the computer. Dip, dip, up, up. So, anybody out there that think Patrick, shut the nope, we got no time for that. Look at that, 18,000 across the board, baby. Getting paid. Ask your YouTuber to log into their bank account and show everybody how much money they've gotten paid out. Right? Tell them to log into the bank account and let's see the truth. There's a cover for the new book, by the way. This is one of my skydiving only prop firms athletes. Just jump in there. Yesterday we had a red day. I posted the video up. You can see right now I've got 11 Apex accounts with over $53,000 in profit still inside of those accounts. And yeah, baby, getting payouts. These are my Apex payouts in my bank account as well. So, money, 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 money. That's like $200,000 worth of payouts since September. End of September, October. Not bad. if you think Tanya is better looking than me, you got problems. Because I'll be honest, like, I think I'm a fucking 10 all day, baby. I'm a fucking 10 all day. My personality, it really bumps up. Tanya's got a terrible personality, so, and I know, so, hey, great personality, you know? All right, Nasdaq. I just feel like, I don't want to jinx it, but I feel like, the market dumping today, it would just be too easy, right? It'd be too obvious. It'd just be too obvious, you know? You know? Like, wouldn't it? I just feel like it would be, like, if we break out of this big bear flag, like, it would just be too simple. Steve, yeah, I got a $12,000 payout from the I got a $12,000 payout from those 6 PA accounts that I blew up yesterday. So I took out the money on, what was it, Monday? They took the money out and then I blew them up yesterday. So the money is in my bank account. Patrick, have you ever thought about how many lives you changed for the better? No, I never really thought about that, to be honest. The problem is I normally just think about how many people hate me more than how many people I've helped. But that's just, that's life, you know? You don't get to the top without making a few enemies along the way. I mean, just imagine if I was a hot blonde, though. If I was a hot blonde, oh Lord. I'd have 1 billion followers. Yeah, because you trash talk a lot, Patrick. LOL. I don't think I really trash talk. I think I point out the obvious that nobody wants to admit. You know, like I said, the guy that said that Tanya is boring. I mean, what do you expect? She's a 20-year-old girl that's done nothing but went to college and now started a YouTube channel with simps. So, like, what is she really gonna do? Like, what can she talk about? Tell us stories about going to college? Tell us stories about what it was like living at home with her parents and then moving out? I don't know. I'm 36. I've been around the block a few times. I got a few experiences in life, you know? Yeah, ask her what her college degree is in. Psychology of getting simps. All right, we got 12 minutes. We got a lot of news coming out here. We got a lot of news coming out. I don't really care. I tried to help Tanya. I tried to help her so much when she first started out. I really did. At one point, I actually paid her. So, I mean, everybody can say I'm a bad person all you want, but I can't help somebody who doesn't want to be helped at this point. If she wants to believe that ICT is this amazing trader and she wants to promote that fact, that's totally fine with me, but we can no longer be friends. We can no longer be friends once you just get to a point where you're just denying any actual facts, you know? I'm all for having banter and having opinions, but it gets to a point where, like, you just got to be honest with yourself and be like, hey, you know, maybe it's a good time that I admit that ICT is a fucking psychopath and has no idea how to trade. You know, at some point, maybe admit that, but hey, whatever. Patrick, let Victoria run your YouTube. I don't really want that, to be honest. Like, I don't really care. If you know, hey, if I can't ever get to 1 million subscribers because I don't want to you know, cater to everybody, that's totally fine. I've lost more subscribers than Tanya Trades has even gained. So it's totally fine with me. I don't even, it doesn't bother me. Patrick, can you explain the 30% negative P&L rule? Yeah, very simple. Let's say you have $10,000 in your Apex account. All right. That means that you shouldn't lose more than 30% in one trade of that $10,000, which is pretty normal, right? So if you have $9,000, you're like kind of max loss on the day should be right around $3,000. So I don't know, just don't fucking be stupid. That's all it comes down to. You know, like that's really it all comes down to. Patrick, whatever happened to you and Ricky Gutierrez? I don't know. What happened to him? Alex, can you sweep the floors at the new warehouse? Luckily, we're not going to have any floors to sweep. You know? It'll all be maybe some vacuuming. I don't know. I got to figure out the flooring still, actually. God. Pat, can you invite me to your country? Maybe when I'm president one day. Talk about the 90 Viking. Just got to make $10 million, basically. I need $10 million to buy my dream boat. Fingers crossed, you know? 10 million. Shouldn't take me too long, right? Hopefully, maybe. How are you doing in the tournaments? Our first real tournament is next week, actually, December 8th or December 7th. My first real fishing tournament. Ooh, Lord. Also, on Sunday, if you're in the West Palm area, West Palm, Wellington area, South Florida, you're gonna be at a car show. Giving out, I'm gonna take a bunch of toys. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm thinking I'm gonna buy like little bicycles, little scooters, little skateboards, you know, basketballs, footballs, soccer balls, like actual like usable stuff. And then I'm gonna go to the car show and do the toy drive and donate. What I'm gonna do basically just fill up the truck with as many toys as I can buy from Walmart and then donate them for the drive. So better get helmets. Fuck, now I gotta get helmets too. Hey, I can't do everything. To my knees. All right, so just to reiterate, we're in this big channel, right? We've been in this big channel since last week. If we break out here, there's lots of room to the downside, you know, 750, 700. But I just feel like since it's a kind of a holiday week, the day before the, you know, Thanksgiving here in America, and I just feel like it's just like it's just too convenient. I've seen a lot of influencers posting on Twitter that they're short. You know? Like if I was like if I'm thinking like big money, if I was a big money player, I really like, I would rather like pump this again, pump it up higher, right? Pump it up one more time and then sell it off next week. There is no big money right now. It's a holiday. I mean, say what you want, but at the same time, if the big money's not here, is there going to be enough liquidity to run this lower? I don't know. The whole, like, I really call bullshit. I call bullshit on the whole, like, big money. The big money's not ready. They're not trading today. They're all on vacation. Like, I don't know, man. Is that like, you know, is that real? Is that, you know, like, is that real? Steven, it's easier for them to push it higher with lower volume. I like that train of thought. Like I'm saying, I just think it would make more sense to kind of fucking run this up again, you know, to the top of that channel and then bring it down next week. So. Did Apex deny my payout? Nope. I got the payout. $12,000, baby. In my bank account. No problem. There it is. Look at it. $12,000 in my bank. It's no longer pending, that was yesterday. But today, it's in the account, ready to go. I'm going to spend it. I'm going to go spend $12,000 on toys. Victoria was like, you know, toys are kind of expensive. I'm like, what do you mean they're expensive? Toys are expensive? I haven't bought a toy in a while. Landon, my son, he doesn't even want toys anymore. He just wants like dirt bikes and fucking $1,000 fishing poles and electric bikes and fucking crazy shit. I remember when I was 12, I thought about that the other day. I'm like, when I was 12 years old, what was I asking for? Probably like a skateboard. Now my son's like, I want a $3,000 dirt bike. That's what, literally, Landon's like, I want a fucking $3,000 dirt bike, you know, for Christmas. I'm like, oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, great. Awesome, just what you need. Gonna fucking try to kill himself. The best part is he doesn't like, I'm like, where are you gonna even ride a dirt bike at? He's like, I'll just ride it on the sidewalk. I'm like, bro, you can't ride a fucking a dirt bike on the sidewalk. Taylor B, I have bicycles worth more than that, non-electric. Cool story. I used to have a $15,000 mountain bike, but that doesn't mean I want to buy my son a $3,000 dirt bike. Wellington Green is the event on Sunday. I'll be there in the monster truck. The monster truck. I'll do a deal. First person who takes a photo of the monster truck on Sunday and posts it on Twitter and tags me at the event, I'll give him some money. $500. I think it starts at 8 a.m. It's like 8 to 11 on Sunday. I'll post on Twitter, post up later this week on the exact details. It's a Suron. That's what he wants. Not a dirt bike, by the way. It's not a dirt bike. It's a Suron, which I think is even crazier because the Surons are fucking... I had one in Hawaii, or I used to ride one in Hawaii, and those fuckers are fast. Here we go. 10 seconds. The day before Thanksgiving. Is the market going to take a big old dump here? Is it going to dump? Let's see. Right now, we got a pivot point right there at the 924s. Oh God, it's dumping. Down there to the 20,900s. Took out the overnight low, the London low so far. Straight down. Straight down, Junior. Searching for too long. On my mind. This would be the perfect spot to rip it back up here. That support there yesterday, the 866 level. Just swept the low there again. See if I gotta try to run it back up there above the 900s again. The ES is kind of holding up right now. And look at the ES now ripping back up. They can manage to get it back above 900s. The Dow's ripping straight up. Nvidia's finding some support at the 133s. ES having trouble making a new high. Nasdaq still just kind of respecting that 80 level there. It's like they want to try to pop it up a little bit here before going lower, but Where we all from, the dreams we have, the love we share. What are you waiting for? United. ES is having trouble now pushing, but Nasdaq's trying to hold up. Nvidia is like really pushing back up. The Dow, a lot of volatility here. Remember, we got news coming out 9:45 and 10 o'clock today. A lot of news this morning. Got like 850 down there next, and then after that, 868 level. Just kind of watching right here. Still just holding there. That next pivot point is down there, 822s. If we lose this 70 area, try to get down there 820s, but right now just kind of see if that, look at a little bear flag, like still not breaking that low from earlier there. 63s, 69s now. Just sitting down there at the lows, not breaking through the lows here. There it goes. There it goes. Breaking that 70 level. Got that pivot point down there next. 24s. We got news coming out here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news comes out. Watching this 70 area. Got to get through 70s strong here. And then that next pivot point down there, 820s. It's kind of stuck here for now until this news comes out. Nvidia is ripping back up here now. Four minutes till the news. This 85 level acting as resistance. If they pop it back above 85s. Could get a little squeeze going here, looks like. Got the ES pushing back up. Nvidia is like totally reversed now. Trying to push back to the open. Got news here in 3 minutes, so the market is waiting for this news to come out. The bears, the bulls. VWAP up there, pivot point 925s. Trying to take out the high of this 85 level now. Through the 85s now, back up there to the 90s. News coming out here in a minute. Less than a minute. $21 EMA there, 910.75. News is coming out here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Not much. Market just consolidating. We got more news at 10 o'clock. Anyone see that weird candle on Nvidia just now? It was funny. A really weird candle on Nvidia just like popped up and then. Pushing again up there into the 90s. Holiday trading, baby. You gotta love it. That 21 EMA there at 908.75. After yesterday's debacle, I'm very much just trying to look for a good opportunity here where I'm like, hey, that's a good setup. Gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock probably. Bear flag right now. Let's see if this bear flag is gonna pay. I'd be looking for a short, like below 70, basically. Got your 15-minute low down there, 853s. We could tap that 21 and then just get a reaction to the downside here. It'd be nice. Nvidia's selling off again. Or pulling back again. I mean, it just looks weak here. Just consolidating here before the news. Down there to test the 70s. Testing the lows. Kind of does the same shit as yesterday, you know, like these little drop and then pops and then little. Nvidia taking out new lows. Come on, Nasdaq, you got to get through here. That pivot point down there at the 23s. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, free to subscribe. She's trying to take that 50. The low earlier was 53s. There we go, through the 50s. Pivot point down there, 23s next. Oh, wow. Market really just waiting for this news to come out here. We broke right through that 70 level now. Taking new lows. Beautiful. Five minutes till the news comes out. I shorted there at 78. Took the last fill there at 844. Just kind of kept moving, trailing it down, and got stopped out from the 78s down there to the 44s. Being patient, waiting for this news to come out here. If you're wondering what songs this are, check out Liquid Lab on YouTube. It's called Liquid Lab Cream. Cream presents Liquid Lab Volume 2. This is the video song right now, the playlist. Got 2 minutes here until these numbers come out. Top Step TV calling you out, Patrick. What do they call me out for? What are they talking about now? Less than a second here till the numbers. Home sale numbers. These numbers have been very uneventful. I thought we'd get a lot more volatility around these numbers, but that has not been the case today, has it? Bear flagging again. Here at the 850s. Come on, give me that fucking pivot point. 23s. Give me that pivot point, you little bitch. Oh, why? Like, why? Why does he got to stop right here at 35? There it goes. There it goes. Get it down there already. Just get through the 30s. What a little cunt. Just a little bastard. I hate when it does that shit. Oh, now it's... Oh, perfect. Now it hits the pivot point. Now it hits the pivot point. Why? I took the short right here from the 48s down into the pivot point down there. I had kind of a runner. It got a little pop, took me out. But yeah, on the day right now, we've got 20 total PA accounts. Obviously, I blew up those 9 yesterday if you didn't watch the video. So those are in the green. We're back to the starting ground. We took a $12,000 payout, but we have to start over with those accounts. But you can see, look at that. Oh my God, that reversal off the pivot point. Oh God. Should have just got long at that pivot point, I guess. Did you get paid? Yes, I got paid. Daddy got paid. Look at that. Fucking dude. Right off that pivot point. Right off that pivot point. Insane. It's insane, people. If you're wondering what indicator it is, check out the course. It's $199. Hee hee. Nasdaq, like, flirting with the idea of trying to push up here again. 21 EMA up there, the 77s. Nvidia having some trouble. Oh man, this market has just been so terrible. It's a holiday, so I don't, you know. I don't know why we're not surprised, you know. Hey, there's no reason to be surprised here, that's for sure. So. I lost $75,000 yesterday. Buy my course. I'll teach you how to do it. But what the haters don't want to acknowledge is I've made more money than 1% of, I've probably made more money than 1% of the total traders in the world. So the haters are going to hate, but what they don't want to talk about is all the payouts that I've gotten in the last 3 months. So they don't want to acknowledge that. The grand total right now, so we got $95,000 in top set payouts since pretty much like September, end of September. And then we've got about over 100,000 in Apex payouts. So I don't know, close to $200,000 in payouts. So, I don't know. Whatever. The good thing is, I'm going to walk away here in the green. And I'm going to go on my boat and go fishing. And go far away from the world. I'm going to go far, far away from everybody else. And I'm just going to leave the land behind, you know? My pivot point settings, guys, come on. Every day. Pivot points, traditional. I don't change anything. It's the pivot point standard. Buy the course right now. Mega bundle. We got a huge webinar on the 11th. It's $199. Stop struggling. Stop being stupid. Get in on the action. 20 accounts, $20,000 in payouts, or $20,000 in profit. You can see these accounts right here. These are $50,000 accounts. The current balance is $104,000. I've taken $6,000 in payouts. So I'm really actually up $60,000 total per account. And yeah. I don't know. Bear flags, bull flags. You hate them, you love them. You can see right there, trading the bear flag, the bull flag, covering down here at the lows. My last cover was there at 31 after we bounced off that pivot point. So, do you only trade the 50K accounts? I think the 50K accounts are kind of your best bang for your buck in terms of risk to reward. But that's just me personally. Really comes down to however you want to do it. So. I need to take 5, I think it's 6 payouts or 5 payouts. Once I get 6 payouts, I'll have the, I'll be able to withdraw over $500,000 in profit. $500,000 in profit. Nasdaq taking out the low now. Again, through that pivot point, 820s, she gone. But I just don't like how the Dow's ripping up here. I don't know. It's the holiday week. So if you have 20 Apex accounts, how did you blow them out? I blew out 9 Apex accounts yesterday. I took a $12,000 payout out of 6 of them, and I blew up 9. I traded evals yesterday and had 9 more accounts ready to go this morning. So that's how we do it. Hate me, love me, tell me I'm a scam, whatever you want. It's all good. I'm the only YouTuber out there that is literally showing you bank deposits. Bank deposits. Not just like, oh, hey, look at my payout certificate. I'm showing you actual bank deposits. These are bank, this is my bank account. That's money in my bank account. But yes, clearly I have no idea what I'm doing. Prove it. Let's see an account number. All right. I proved it. Everything's fake. Time to take down the green screen. Time to take down the green screen. It's stuck. It won't come down. I'm stuck. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Oh God. Oh God. The green screen. The green screen. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna go fishing. Got my son in town right now, so trying to enjoy the week with him. It's gonna be Thanksgiving tomorrow, so Nasdaq's gonna do what it's gonna do, but we're gonna walk away in the green here and look at it. Still going. Still going. Still going. If you guys haven't, hit that like button. Come on, we got 700 likes on here. Fuck, it's still going. The dump is real. Through the 800s. Looks like our bear flag channel playing out here today. I'm interested to see how or where we go, how low we go, how, yeah, in general, just kind of where we end up going here today. We'll find out. So there it is. I'll see you guys probably Monday. We'll be back here Monday. Fucking A. The FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. Trying to look here like what I could have done. This bear flag right here through that 70 level. Just like every time I enter a fucking trade like this, let's say I get short like right here, you know, and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna let it work down. Every fucking time I enter a trade like this, it does some stupid shit like this where it just like pops straight back up. Every fucking time. Does that always? Like if I was still short right now, it would be popping all the way back up here to the pivot point. Break even and let it roll. I'm telling you, even if I put my stop to break even, it would still just fucking come back up here, take me out, and then go lower. I swear. Oh my God. Well. Hey. Fuck me. Fuck me. All right, I'm just gonna walk away either way, but just kind of looking at it now. What did you do? Hey, let's look at the hourly chart here. I think lesson of the day here. Once we got through this support right there, that 70 area, really gotta be looking to target kind of like down here into this. So this low's there at 750 would have been kind of the focus there for that short to the downside. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just saying. I'm just talking out loud. So that's all. Good little lesson. Make sure focus on them hourly time frame. You know, get a keep a good eye on that hourly time frame there. I'm walking away. I'm not going to trade more. I'm just talking out loud, looking back at what we could have done maybe a little better. 15-minute chart. We broke to the downside here through the 15-minute range. This candle right here through the 50s. Moved down there for a 50-point move. Well, I guess this candle broke through right there. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, so, I mean, hey. So, basically, your 15-minute range turned into resistance here, right? So, that 58 area, this area here turns into resistance, which is the 15-minute opening range low. And then bang, moving on down there. So I'm going to walk away and I'll see you guys next Monday. Let's do it again. Again and again and again and again. Make some more money. Peace to the Middle East. Make sure you check out the course right now. We got a big deal going on for Black Friday, the bundle. It's $199. I mean, I couldn't make it any cheaper. Anything less than $199, it would just basically be free at that point. So check it out if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace to the Middle East.